Hi, hello, who are you? My name is Anna. Welcome back to my channel. It is Self-Care Saturday. We got those wrinkle patches on. We are ready to jump, dive, swim into the deep end of this Blind 75 problem set that I'm going to be doing. So today I have the best time to buy and sell a stock. And these solutions are going to be in Python, JavaScript, PHP, C++, and Go. So I want to go ahead and get started on this question. This question is 121, which I haven't done yet, so I'm kind of excited, and it's easy. So it's a great way to kick it off. So let's read and see what we have. Let's time ourselves today. Also, my cat Jojo is supporting me, so I normally put the camera on my hands, but she's far cuter than my hands. So you are given an array of prices where prices I is the price of a given stock on the ith day. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. Return the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. It's pretty straightforward. These are the examples. And these are these constraints. I feel like this is a pretty straightforward question, all things considered. Here, let me bring this down a little bit so you don't see my OBS. Okay. So you're given an array of prices where prices I is the price of a given stock on the ith day. Okay. So because of this statement, and I'm sure this will transcend all of the languages, I just want to start with, if not prices, then we're just going to return 0. I feel like that's a pretty solid way to start. So then I want to have the max profit and then the minimum price. So, I'm trying to think. I want this to start here, and I want this to be prices with 0, and then maximize the profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future stock. So the price is 715,364 output. You can buy on day 2 for $1 and sell on day 5, etc. You must buy before you sell. Right. And these ones are all decremented. So let's say then for price in prices, we'll say the max profit, maybe this is going to make sense, is the max of the max profit with the price minus that minimum price. Right? Logically that makes sense, and then we can say the same thing for min profit. We can then say minimum of the minimum price and price. So then we just return, we don't reurb, whatever I just typed. Return max profit. Max profit. Okay. So we're checking to see what different day in the future we can sell this stock. I feel like this makes sense. Right? I'm going to go ahead and say it is. Let's give it a run, because we have literally 4 more languages to do. Variable price. Reference before assignment. Then should I just say prices. Price. Would that make it right? That would make it right? Because it's prices, prices, prices. Min profit. Min price. And that's not a plus. It should be an equal. This is why we check our work, okay? This is why. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and submit it. Or not. I do think... very nice. Okay. All right. So that's a good solution. I want to keep that same logic going through to PHP, JavaScript, Go with C++. Okay. Good answer, though. I like this answer. Time taken 4 minutes. That seems pretty on par for my easy questions or easy-ish questions. So let's go ahead and jump into, let's do PHP. Let's do PHP. I'm not going to reread the question because it's the same video, you guys, but let's reset this timer, go back to the description, and see what we can pull from this. So, PHP, I have to do if empty, right? Or no, I have to do if empty, and then prices. Then I open that up and do return 0. So I'm going to do that same logic. That's if there's no transaction that can be done for maximum profit, then we're just returning 0. What next? So I'm going to do max. Do I have to do the underscore for this? No, I have to do cases. My brain can't switch this fast. I don't know if anyone else is the same way, but this is min price. I did this last time. And that is prices 0. And then I can say this one, instead of for price and prices, it's going to be for each prices as price, I think. I know it sounds like I'm doubting myself, but I just max profit. I don't usually switch languages this fast. This is a good set of exercises for me because I don't typically, I will usually work on like 3 languages a day, but that's like over a couple hours. And I'm not gonna sneeze. I'm not gonna sneeze. Okay, sorry. Very unprofessional. Okay. Price. Right? Max profit. Yeah. And then this one was min price. I'm hoping this logic does kind of transcend over the correct way, and I hope I'm not doing it wrong. And as you can tell, my cat is completely unfazed. So then we're just going to return the max profit and see what we can do here. So the same max profit, empty prices. Let's give it a run. Let's give her a good old college try. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and submit it. That feels pretty good. Okay, 51% and then 42. Don't love it, but I don't hate it either. Okay. That wasn't terrible, all things considered. So, good. All right. Let's reset the timer and do JavaScript, maybe? Or let's do C++. Okay. Oh, gosh. Okay. So we want to include vector and prices. So if, I'm not sure if I'm going to do this right. Prices empty, and then I leave that open, then I can say return 0. So same setup. I have to keep reminding myself of the same setup that I want to do. So we're going to do the int max profit is 0, and then same with the int min price is prices 0, and oopsie, did not mean to do that. For int I minus 1 prices size, and then I'm gonna have to do I plus plus, right? Right? Yeah, because then I need to do max profit equals, and then we go into that same prices, but with I minus min price. Max this feels right. This feels right. I feel like I'm writing this right. I'm really not good at C++. Min price, and then I just say prices I think for this, and then boom, roasted. Why do we even say that? I feel like I need to include, well, I feel like I've had a similar question on my little like C++ little boot camp, and I had to include vector and include algorithm, but I'll run it and see if I need to. Is that right? Oh no, that'd be, wait, expected for line 11. Also, this should be equal, not. I'm gonna take that out and see. Right? No. Hold on. It did get accepted though. Okay. I didn't start the timer. Ugh, so much for self-care Saturdays. I'm getting way too lax. Lame. Oh, man. Dang, I did okay here, and what? Oh. It's fine. It's fine. Also, these all say a few seconds ago, and it makes me feel like I'm operating at warp speed. Okay. What next? JavaScript or Go? I'm not as confident with as with Go, so let's do that. Okay. This is gonna be rough. I can already tell. So starting off the same way, if the length of prices is equal to 0, then we return 0. And then this is when I have to do the semicolon and the equal sign. Not the whatever it's called. I don't even know what it's called right now. It's a Saturday. Whatever that is. This actually is a Freudian slip for... I'm not even going to say it. We're adults here. Okay. Same logic, same setup. Right from the get-go. So I can say for price, range, prices. It's rough. It's rough out here, you guys. So we're then going to say max profit, max profit. Whoa. Max profit. Price, min price, and min price. Again, same logic as before. And in case I haven't actually completely vocalized it, we're just finding the solution for the maximum profit by iterating through the array by keeping track of the minimum prices encountered so far, and then updating the maximum profit accordingly. So if there's nothing that can be matched, we're returning 0. I'm sorry if I haven't vocalized that perfectly. I wasn't gonna make a video today, but I was like, self-care Saturdays, we gotta live, laugh, love in the condition that we are in and hold ourselves to what brings us joy, and getting better at what I do brings me joy. So in theory, this running and working should bring me joy. Well, it'd be better if it were a 0. That's for darn sure. Not an O. Okay. Here we are. Good. Let's submit that. So then the last one we'll have to do is one that I'm hopefully going to do. My memory is really good on that. Huh. I was not expecting to go that direction. Also, we're close to 50%, and that's all right. That's all right for 10:30 a.m. on a Saturday night. Yeah, okay. Look at we're cruising right along. We got 4 done in here. We got 1 more to go. Literally, go. Okay, I can laugh at my own jokes, you guys. No one else has to laugh for me. They don't. They never do. Also, my cat is just zonked out here. You guys don't see this 99% of the time, but this is exactly where she lays. So my hands can be occupied, but the rest of my arms must be used for the queen. The Queen JoJo exotic. Okay. Last but not least, let's do this. So we're going to say if, yes, I see you, JoJo. Prices, length, return 0. Yes. And then we're going to let max profit equals 0. And we're going to let min price equal prices. But don't forget to end this 0. Nice. So for the let I equal 1 and I less than prices length, that, then excuse me, what are you doing there? Max profit equals, my brain's trying to think of it, max profit. And this one was prices I min price. Sorry, I really try to remember what I did before, and sometimes my brain does these little short circuit moments. Min price, prices. Hi, JoJo. Okay, and then we just return max profit. Same thing 5 times. Logic stays the same. Good verbiage. Let's give that a good old run. I also didn't time this one, you guys. I'm sorry. It's because I get distracted. Line 29. Hold on. Max profit. Max profit. Profit is not a function. What do you mean it's not a function? Am I missing something? Did I spell profit wrong? Like, I know I do little silly mistypings in places, and I'm just trying to make sure. Yeah, I did. Good job, Anna. Okay, thank heavens. Thank heavens. Let's go ahead and submit that. Good grief. Ooh. That was my worst one yet. And I was thinking I was going to end on such a good note. I started off really strong and I ended below average. I think there's other people that can relate to me with that in life. But overall, of the submissions that I did, I feel okay about it all. Like, I don't think, let me just take a little look. Yeah, I didn't record any of those. I feel silly. I think this was an easy question, so taking that time, obviously it helps to like have an idea of how you're going to approach this, and I'm pretty sure I've seen this question before or something similar. But overall, I mean, I think the logic kind of transcends all these languages, but it obviously could have been done better in other languages. So maybe improve it later on, maybe not, but that's this particular question for Blind 75. If you guys have any comments, questions, suggestions, concerns, or corrections, or if you want to join me on my next self-care Saturday, please feel free to drop a comment in the video down below. If you have a black cat or a pet that would like to be friends with Jojo also, we will happily accept any tokens of friendship, right? And thank you for those of you who are watching this. I appreciate you and appreciate that you're following me along with my journey. So with that, I will see you in the next video. We will see you in the next video. Goodbye. Kind of. Oh, so cute. Oh, good heavens. Goodbye.